Yeah. Good morning, it's your boy. It is another wonderful morning. But yesterday something happened to me. So I think my gas died yesterday. So I need to go and fill this. So this gas, I think it ends. And why do gas always end at the middle of the night? Why? Why do you think they're good? Man. So, okay. Today being another wonderful day. I just trust God, like things gonna work. It is Friday. Friday is when we get also some little jobs. We get some jobs, so it won't be bad a weekend in a weekend, you know. I didn't believe that. It may sound a wonderful day. Even if it is not, I'll come back in the house. That is. Yep, that. Hello, Mefika. Hello. Hey. Sawa, ndio natoka nje. So guys, as I was saying, that is my gas. I've just called the place, so they have bring me the gas. So let's go and check to them the gas. You know the gas ends when you're cooking ugali, especially in Africa. Okay, do I have some cash to pay? Okay, the gas, to fill the gas, it costs like around 1,100 nowadays, since the government imposed laws on everything. Oh, my government, they don't care if you have a job or not. You don't have a job, so they will do anything just to get their money. Get their money. So yeah, it is expensive to live in Kenya nowadays. It is getting more expensive. But what do we do? We have to surrender to it and continue living. So I think I had some little savings from my previous jobs in weekends. So I think I have some cash. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Where did I put this? Okay. Oh man. Yep, as you can see, so the gas will cost like that. That is how the gas nowadays. Okay, where's the guy? Okay, the guy is not here yet. So as you can see, it is early in the morning. You can see the clouds up there. So there is no sun today. So the sun always comes from that side. From that side, yep, something like that. Yeah. So my gas is here, and I'm going to cook a tea. We try to cook a tea today. So see of the day. So I just paid for my gas. My gas just arrived, and this was my last gas tank. So continue. You see this? This is a satellite. This is the oldest satellite around my place, and That one is a new one. So you know what? Okay, that is where the sun just rises from, and ends to that another satellite. So yeah, I came for a job today, and now I'm heading to house. We can say it hasn't been a bad day. It is a successful day because the sun is going to set down. So I'm going for another thing doing there. Yeah. Nzuri. Asante.
21 minutes from now. Ana kuna kitu iko. Mimi ndio nene na sideways. Sasa hata yezionyesha hadi mahali.
Pole. Nice one. Iko hapo. Nice. Chapi. I get something good for me. I'll put my light there. Camera with a nice me, nice photo. Trigger.
Uchunge, yani mimi pia ukue careful. I'm not an...
Angalia. Good. Nice. Apart, like shika kidogo. Lakini kwa nyingine ilete look kitchen kind of the podcast. No. Yeah. Something like that. Lodge Hotel. It is located in Gilgil, in Pembroke area, Langa. So Brooks Lodge is one of the best hotels in Gilgil, and in Kenya. Let us say in Kenya, the best hotel in Kenya. As you can see, this place is so wonderful. It's so beautiful. Let me get the mask out. You have to follow the rules of the mask. So this place is so wonderful, as you can see. So I'm having a shoot one here today with my Nikon D71, Nikon 71. My trigger is a nice photo for channel. I'm using this at the moment, but maybe in future I'll be able to upgrade, you know. And I'm using my speed light with my soft box CGC. So I'm trying, like, in future, maybe when God bless me with the, I'll be able to add this, and also the speed light.
Oh my, battery.
Yeah.
Battery.
So guys, you know, it is so nice to be able to find a place where you can do photography, and this place is so friendly. It is so beautiful. The environment is so nice, you know. This hotel has great protection for you. Nice shot. Available silver conference coffee house. So this part almost done, you know. You better come in this place, you know.
Tafadhali za tumbo usinipate. By the way, hakuna hizo unaweza jiwekea.
Enda tu. Yeah. So this is my assistant.
Unajua kuna time?
Bado chipo hajafika, mbona chipo hajafika?
Time ya kurudi job. Unajua ndio ndio job.
Oh.
Alafu kufinya tumbo kando.
Tumbo yaonekane.
Aisha.
Guys, it has been a busy day today. So after having a bad day with my gas, I started my day with the gas going down. So it's time to go to my computer and do some editing. Don't look at my password, I can see you. Oh no. Okay, so now it is time for editing. After a busy day, so I did some little, the one they have seen. So it is time now. I work for the pictures, then I send to clients through the phone. See you to the next one video. Let's go.